Greer, South Carolina. A semi has stalled on railroad tracks with a fully loaded locomotive bearing down. The disoriented trucker won't abandon his rig. Officer Mark Ford rushes in to pull him from the path of destruction.
At first he wouldn't respond, but I was able to get his attention and get him off the tracks. He got off the tracks and we kind of just stood back and watched.
The conductor slams the brakes, desperate to get the train stopped. It's a noble effort, but a spectacular failure.
Oh, this is going to be bad.
It's a slow-motion catastrophe as the stopping train buckles the monstrous truck.
I can hear the bell ringing of the train, and he blew the horn, and it hit that truck. It's crumpled it. I really don't think people in general realize how long it takes a train, because it's so heavy, how long it takes for it to stop.
The lumbering locomotive is barely affected by the big rig in its way.
The train, I think it only suffered a broken headlight, is all it did. It didn't do any damage to the train. The truck, on the other hand, was messed up pretty good.
With the 18-wheeler in ruins, the driver is understandably upset. But after this one-sided contest between truck and train, he should be grateful he's alive.